Hyundai i20. I have a misfire problem. 2011. What you do is you begin by turning on the engine. Just move this tab and pull this out. This works. Next one. This one works. If the engine starts to shake, see, they pull this little tab out. The second I pull it out, this one is not acting very well. This one. Number 2, can you see it? Problem with number 2, clearly. You can try the injectors. You can eliminate the injectors. This one. Just all you have to do is just pull them out. See that little tab there? You press it back, pull it out, making a change. Number 2 seems to be the culprit. So what we've done now is we've diagnosed it's number 2. It could be the coil pack or it could be the spark plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the spark plug and see if that does anything.